Do you ever wonder why people visit your website, they look around, and then they disappear? It's not always your price. It's not always your product. Most of the time, it's psychology. And today I'm going to show you the hidden psychological reasons why people don't buy online and how you can fix them. I worked with a coach once who had a beautiful website, tons of traffic, and great pricing, but ticket sales were flat. When I dug deeper, it wasn't the event, it was the psychology on the page. Her site wasn't giving visitors the confidence and urgency to make a decision. And that's the same issue many coaches and event organizers and small business owners face. The first reason people don't buy is lack of trust. Online, people are skeptical. If your site doesn't show proof, like testimonials, case studies, real photos, and pages of results, visitors assume you're unproven. Remember, trust is earned in seconds, and it's lost just as fast. So secondly, confusion. A cluttered homepage, multiple offers, or vague messaging overwhelms the brain. And when people are confused, they don't decide, they delay. That delay usually means they never come back. So clarity sells and confusion kills. Third, you have no urgency. If there's no reason to act now, people put it off. For events, that might mean tickets don't sell until the very last minute. For coaches, it means prospects never book the call. Urgency isn't about pressure, it's about giving people clarity. Limiting seats, deadlines, or fast action bonuses can help a lot. Fourth, weak relevance. So people buy when they feel like the message is speaking directly to them. If your copy is generic, people are going to tune out. But if your site says, we'll help busy coaches fill their calendars with qualified clients, now you're speaking to someone's exact pain point. So how do you fix these psychological barriers? 1, you build trust with social proof. 2, you remove confusion with simple, clear messaging. 3, you want to add urgency so people act now. And then 4, you make your offer hyper-relevant to the exact audience you serve, personalized to the T. And if you get these things right, you'll see more people go from browsers to buyers. So remember, people buy online because of hidden psychology, not because of your product. If you fix the trust, the clarity, the urgency, and the relevance, your website stops being a brochure and starts being a sales machine.